Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineering Tutor. In this video, I am going to inform you about a new job that is coming from Kerala Public Service Commission. So this is the official website of Kerala PSC. So in the recruitment section, you can see there are notification details. Once you click here, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see the top notification that is published on 4th May. So you can download this from here, or you can join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below this video. So you can click on the link and join my Telegram channel, or you can search in Telegram as Civil Engineering Tutor. So you will get this detailed advertisement in my Telegram channel also, or you can download it from here. So once you click on this notification, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see there is the notification details. The notification is basically for assistant engineer post in Kerala Water Authority. So I have already downloaded this advertisement. So let me open this and I will discuss all the key points one by one. So the notification is published on 4th May 2022 and the last date is 8th June 2022. Now, one important thing about this recruitment, although this is from Kerala PSC, but anyone from India can apply. Okay, so all states students are eligible for this recruitment. Now this is for assistant engineer post and scale of pay is given 40,800 to 85,000. Okay, and here total number of vacancy is given 64. Now about method of appointment. So this will be direct recruitment. So direct recruitment means there may be written exams or may not be written exams. Okay, so they may conduct interview only. So like that. So your age limit is given 19 to 40 years. And if you are belonging from any caste or any category, if you have, then in that case, you can see the age relaxation as per your category. So I'm not going into that. Now qualification details. So basically this 64 recruitment is from civil, mechanical and chemical engineering branches. Okay. And you can see this is first criteria is given BSc degree in engineering in civil, mechanical, chemical of the Kerala University. Okay, so if you have BSc degree in engineering, but I am not going into these things because most of the people who are following my channel, I think you all have BTech or BE degree in civil. So if you have BTech, BE degree in civil of any recognized universities of Kerala or from UGC recognized university is also considered. So UGC recognized university, that means most of the universities in India are UGC recognized. Okay, so you do not need to worry about that. You just need to apply for this recruitment if you are interested. Now the last date, as I have already discussed, this is 8th June 2022. Now about mode of submitting application. So you need to visit the official website of Kerala PSC and there you need to register. One time registration you need to do, and after that you can apply for this post. Okay, so I'm not going into these details. This is very easy thing. In most of the PSC you can see this kind of application procedure. So I think you are familiar with this. If you are not familiar, you can read this once. Okay, this is in very simple language. I think you can understand this. So here one important thing they have written, that if a written OMR online test is conducted as part of this selection. So they have written if. Okay, so there is a chances that there may be only interview. Okay, so this is not clear although. So this is the all about this short recruitment. So now this is the official website of KPSC, and in the must known section there is a option candidates registration. You can register yourself from this option, and once you have successfully registered yourself for the first time, then you will see the application form of assistant engineer and you can apply accordingly. So that's it for this video. I hope this video is somewhere helpful for your preparation, and you can, if you are interested, you can apply for this job. So you get the detailed advertisement in my Telegram channel, Civil Engineering Tutor. You can join there or you can download it from here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.